Hello everyone, Namaskara. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ channel. So this is the announcement about the workshop that is going to happen during the Dasra holidays. So this workshop will start from October, 3rd of October, and it will be that 22nd of November. So this is for 20 days sessions, 20 sessions. So who can join this workshop? If you already know Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshara, Arkavali, Amvads to read and write, then you can enroll for this workshop. If you don't know this, please avoid this workshop. This won't be much useful to you. And what will be taught in this workshop? In this workshop, we'll be concentrating more on the pronoun, verbs, questioning words and the sentence framing. How do we frame the sentence? How do we frame the interrogative sentence, negative sentence, past tense, present tense, future tense, past continuous, past perfect. And we'll be building more stories, we'll be framing more stories, we'll be telling more stories. Through all these activities, we'll be learning more structured sentences, how to frame the sentences in the right way. That is what the complete focus will be of this workshop. So if you are struggling with the sentence structures, if you are struggling with the tenses, pronouns, verbs and all those things, you can make use of this workshop, but make sure that you already know the basics very well, because reading and writing of the basics is much important in this workshop. So if I had left out anything, and there will be more challenges, the story challenges, and you will be having the tongue twisters, you'll be having activities, you'll be having a mini test during this workshop. And also there are 4 e-books that will be given to you, that is included in the fee of this workshop. This workshop, as I mentioned, it will start from 3rd of October to 22nd of November. It will be there on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So it's for 20 sessions and 40 minutes of a workshop, weekly 3 classes. For more details, please do WhatsApp for the number, give a number. You can just WhatsApp to the number. So meet you all, and it's a limited entry. I'll take only a limited number of students, because more number of students won't make a much more comfortable, and the reading won't be the studies won't be much productive. So register as soon as possible. And this year we have only one workshop, only this workshop. There is no repetition of this workshop is going to happen. So thank you so much. Share Maddie information and bring your friends also when you are joining. It will be fun in this workshop. Meet you all in the workshop soon. And thank you so much. Like Maddie, share Maddie, subscribe Maddie. Thank you. Dhanyavada.